Now, whenever you run into an issue using the Uphold app with it not working, there's always the moment of freaking out. And the reason is because you have money on it and you're obviously concerned. But I'm here to tell you that there's almost no need to worry about it since it's always one of the issues I'm going to be going over. Also, I need to point out that I personally keep big chunks of money on here at a time, and I wouldn't do so if I was worried about how they did things. Okay, first, you could actually check the Uphold status page. Yes, this is a thing, but when you go to this page, there's going to be green bars showing you if everything is running okay on their end or not. Now, I'm going to hold this up to the camera, but you could see that they've got these green bars, like I said, but you've got the mobile wallet, web wallet, and a bunch of other things. You could also scroll down, and there's going to be a report any incidents option below as well. So if everything is running okay on their end, the next thing I would recommend doing is check your Wi-Fi connections. And then I would actually recommend disconnecting from your Wi-Fi and then try reconnecting. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then obviously you're going to want to restart your phone quickly. And then what I want you to do next after you restart your phone, log out of the app and then log back into it. At this point, if you're still having issues, I would recommend deleting the Uphold app and then reinstalling it. And this has actually worked for me when none of the other options I've gone over have. Also, make sure you're not connected to or using a VPN, as this will cause problems as well. If you're still having issues, then I'd actually recommend contacting Uphold support. They respond quickly to this kind of thing via email. Just use the email you signed up with to do this. Anyways, hope that helps you guys out if you're running into some issues with the Uphold app. I'd also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week in updates by checking out some links below in the description. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.